Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. The 2026 Boeing 777X represents one of the most ambitious commercial aircraft programs ever developed by Boeing. It is not simply an upgraded version of the older 777, it is a complete technological evolution built to redefine long-haul travel in the modern aviation era. Designed to replace aging large wide-body jets while delivering superior efficiency, range, and passenger comfort, the 777X blends proven reliability with next-generation engineering in a way few aircraft programs have attempted. At first glance, the aircraft's scale is immediately striking. The 777-9, which is the primary production model, stretches to approximately 251 feet in length, making it the longest passenger aircraft currently flying. That extra length translates directly into capacity. In a typical two-class configuration, airlines can seat around 400 to 425 passengers, though high-density layouts can push that number even higher. Despite this enormous size, the aircraft operates with just two engines, demonstrating how far propulsion technology has advanced. Decades ago, aircraft of this capacity relied on four engines, but modern high-thrust turbofans now make twin-engine operations not only possible but more efficient. The heart of the 777X is its power plant, the GE9X engine developed by GE Aerospace. This engine is the largest commercial jet engine ever built, with a fan diameter of roughly 134 inches, so wide that a person can stand inside it. Each engine produces over 100,000 pounds of thrust, yet it consumes significantly less fuel than the previous GE90 engines used on older 777 models. The GE9X incorporates advanced materials such as ceramic matrix composites, which allow the engine to operate at higher temperatures while reducing weight. Its carbon fiber composite fan blades are lighter and stronger than traditional metal blades, improving both efficiency and durability. The high bypass ratio reduces noise levels dramatically, meaning airports and passengers experience a quieter operation compared to earlier wide-body jets. Equally revolutionary are the aircraft's wings. The 777X features the largest composite wing ever built for a commercial aircraft. With a full extended wingspan of nearly 235 feet, the wings are optimized for aerodynamic efficiency. The longer span improves lift-to-drag ratio, reducing fuel burn during cruise. The use of carbon fiber reinforced polymer keeps the wings lighter while maintaining structural strength. One of the most innovative aspects is the folding wingtip design. On the ground, the outer sections of the wings fold upward by about 12 feet on each side. This reduces the effective wingspan to fit within standard airport gate limitations. Once airborne, the wingtips lock into place, restoring full aerodynamic efficiency. This clever solution allows airlines to operate a massive aircraft without requiring expensive airport infrastructure upgrades. From a performance standpoint, the 777-9 offers a range of approximately 7,285 nautical miles, enabling non-stop service between major global hubs such as Los Angeles and Singapore or London and Buenos Aires. The slightly smaller 777-8 variant extends that range even further, making ultra-long-haul routes viable with strong passenger and cargo loads. This flexibility is critical for airlines seeking to optimize route networks and open new non-stop city pairs that were previously impractical. Cargo capability is another major advantage. The 777 family has long been known for strong belly cargo capacity, and the 777X continues this tradition. With its wide fuselage and high maximum takeoff weight, the aircraft can carry substantial freight in addition to passengers. For airlines, this means additional revenue streams on long-haul flights, especially on routes with strong cargo demand. Inside the cabin, the aircraft introduces several passenger-focused improvements inspired by the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. The cabin width allows for more comfortable seating configurations, including wider economy seats if airlines choose to prioritize comfort. Larger windows bring in more natural light, while advanced LED lighting systems adjust color temperature throughout the flight to simulate different times of day, helping reduce jet lag. The cabin altitude is lower than older aircraft, typically around 6,000 feet equivalent, compared to the traditional 8,000 feet. Combined with improved humidity levels, this reduces dehydration and fatigue on long flights. Overhead bins have been redesigned for easier access and increased storage capacity, reducing boarding stress and speeding up the loading process. Noise levels are significantly lower due to engine design improvements and better insulation. The result is a cabin environment that feels calmer, more spacious, and less tiring, even on flights lasting 12 to 16 hours. The flight deck integrates advanced avionics while maintaining operational commonality with previous 777 models. Pilots benefit from large touchscreen displays, enhanced flight management systems, and updated digital interfaces. However, Boeing intentionally retained similarities to earlier 777 cockpits, minimizing the need for extensive retraining. For airlines, this translates into lower transition costs and operational continuity. Safety systems have also evolved. The aircraft uses advanced flight control software, improved turbulence detection radar, and predictive maintenance technology. Sensors throughout the airframe continuously monitor structural performance, allowing airlines to detect potential issues before they become critical. This proactive maintenance capability reduces downtime and increases fleet reliability. Environmental performance is a central selling point. The 777X promises approximately 10 to 20% lower fuel consumption and carbon emissions per seat compared to older widebody aircraft it is designed to replace. In an industry facing increasing environmental scrutiny and sustainability goals, this efficiency is essential. The combination of aerodynamic refinement, lighter materials, and advanced propulsion gives airlines a powerful tool to reduce operational costs while meeting environmental commitments. In the competitive landscape, the 777X directly challenges aircraft like the Airbus A350-1000, positioning itself as the high-capacity, long-range option for major global carriers. Boeing's strategy focuses on offering unmatched passenger volume with twin-engine economics. For airlines operating high-demand international routes, the 777X delivers the ability to transport more passengers with lower per-seat operating costs. Ultimately, the 2026 Boeing 777X stands as a symbol of modern aerospace engineering. It combines massive size with remarkable efficiency, raw engine power with refined aerodynamics, and advanced technology with proven operational reliability. For passengers, it means quieter cabins, improved comfort, and the ability to fly farther non-stop. For airlines, it represents economic strength and route flexibility. And for the aviation industry as a whole, it demonstrates how innovation continues to push the boundaries of what commercial flight can achieve in the 21st century.